The Lunar account stands out as one of the most innovative digital banking solutions in Europe, built specifically for users who value control, speed, and simplicity. With Lunar, you don't just get a bank account, you get a complete financial management tool that fits right into your phone. One of its strongest features is instant account setup. Within minutes, you can open an account and start managing your money without paperwork or waiting lines. The app's design is sleek and intuitive, giving you full access to your balance, transaction history, and spending insights in real time. Lunar also provides a clear budgeting system that automatically categorizes your spending, helping you track where your money goes every month. The analytics feature highlights trends and spending habits, making it easier to cut unnecessary costs and reach your savings goals faster. Speaking of savings, the Spaces feature lets you create multiple sub-accounts for specific goals, whether that's a vacation, rent, or an emergency fund, all within your main Lunar app. For those who shop online or travel, Lunar offers virtual and physical cards that come with advanced security features. You can freeze and unfreeze your card instantly, set spending limits, or disable online payments directly from the app. The built-in notifications keep you updated with every transaction so you're always in control. Lunar also offers investment options, allowing users to buy and sell stocks directly through the same platform. This means you can save, spend, and invest without switching between apps. Combined with low fees, top-tier encryption, and Danish-level security standards, Lunar ensures that your money and data are always safe. Overall, Lunar gives you total command over your finances, modern banking designed for simplicity, transparency, and smart money management.